In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check flight status on Emirates flight. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to enter, and how to read the results so you can track your flight with confidence. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Emirates website at emirates.com. If your browser takes you to a regional version of the site, that's fine. The steps are the same. Give the homepage a moment to load so all the menus appear. On the homepage, look for the flight status option. You'll usually find it in the main navigation or under the Manage section. Click Flight Status to open the dedicated tracking page. Now you'll see fields to search by route. Click the departure field and start typing the name of your city or the airport code. For example, typing just a few letters will bring up a drop-down. Select the correct airport from the list to avoid typos. Do the same for the arrival field, again choosing the exact match from the suggestions. If your trip has multiple legs, focus on the specific segment you want to track. Next, select your flight date. Click the date field to open the calendar and choose the correct travel day. Keep in mind that long-haul or overnight flights may depart on a different calendar date than they arrive, so match the date to what's shown on your ticket or booking confirmation. Emirates typically displays times in local airport time, so consider time zones if you're planning pickups or connections. When your departure, arrival, and date are set, click Check Status. The site will fetch the latest operational information for that route on the selected day. Your results page will list all Emirates flights operating between those two airports on that date. Each result includes the flight number, scheduled departure, and arrival times, and when available, updates like on time, delayed, departed, landed, or canceled. You may also see terminal and gate details closer to departure. If multiple flights appear, match the flight number from your booking to pick the right one. For connecting journeys or code shares, check the operating carrier and segment details to ensure you're viewing the correct leg. If the status hasn't updated yet, try refreshing the page a little closer to departure. Updates become more frequent within a few hours of takeoff. Also, double check that your search date is correct, especially for overnight flights that cross midnight. That's it. Visit the Emirates homepage, open flight status, enter your departure and arrival airports, pick the date, and click Check Status to see the latest results for your flight. Safe travels, and I hope this helps you plan with peace of mind.